want to do a quick review today of this ultrasonic retainer cleaner, which was gifted to me. I'm going to clean my daughter's retainer and show you how easy it is to use. Automatically, as soon as you plug it in, it turns on. What I've done is just filled it up to, you can very clearly see that there's a max water fill line. I have put the retainer in using the little kind of grabby clips that it gives you. It also gives you this little drip tray. So for when you are finished, you can put the retainer on there to let it sort of drip dry. And everything's plugged in, the water is in, the retainer is in. Now it comes with a little book that gives you instructions on the different settings. So just depending on the type of clean you want, maybe how long it's been since you've cleaned your retainer will be the mode that you choose. So if we just go with mode 1, we push it once, you can see it automatically goes to the 5-minute mark, which is 300 seconds, and it counts down from there, and you basically just wait until it's done. You can see how it's a little bit like bluish tint in there. I don't know if you can see the blue light, but that is the UV light working. When we are all finished, we open it up. We can see that the retainer wasn't too dirty to begin with because there's not a ton of dirt in there, but you can see a little bit of floaties. You can see all the floaties that are left, even though she keeps her retainer quite clean and cleans it pretty much daily, just after one use, you can see how much comes off. So it's so important to be able to keep the retainers clean and just free of bacteria. These things go in your mouth, and so you're really going to want to make sure that they are sterile. So there you have it. Super easy to use, super easy way to make sure that whatever you're putting in your mouth every night is definitely clean.